In the bustling city of Karachi, lived a young girl named Zara. Her family was poor. Zara's father toiled as a laborer, and her mother was often unwell. Zara, the oldest of 5 children, had many responsibilities. She helped her father after school and took care of her younger siblings. Despite her hard life, Zara had a dream. She wanted to become a doctor. Zara was determined to be a doctor because her mother was frequently ill. They could not afford medical care, and Zara felt helpless. She wished she could help her mother and others in her community. Every evening after finishing her chores, Zara studied by the light of a small lamp. She borrowed old textbooks from a kind neighbor. The medical terms were challenging to understand, but she kept trying. She knew that learning English was crucial because most medical books were in English. Additionally, knowing English would help her communicate with doctors and professors. At school, her classmates often laughed at her broken English and modest background. Her teachers doubted her potential. "Why do you even bother?" one teacher said. "Girls like you should focus on simpler jobs." Once, when Zara tried to speak English in class, a group of students mocked her accent, leaving her in tears. But Zara did not give up. She knew that becoming a doctor was her path to a better life. One stormy night, Zara's mother became very sick. They did not have money to see a doctor, and Zara felt deeply saddened. She wondered if her dreams were worth it when her family needed her so much. She felt torn between her responsibilities and her aspirations. But in her sorrow, Zara found strength. She decided she would not give up. She promised herself and her family that she would become a doctor, no matter what. With renewed determination, Zara found every way to improve her English and her medical knowledge. She listened to English radio shows, practiced speaking with anyone she could, and wrote essays and letters in English, asking for help from anyone willing to read them. She faced many rejections and humiliations, but she did not stop. Years went by, and Zara's hard work began to bear fruit. She earned a scholarship to attend a reputable college in Karachi, where she studied medicine. Despite the financial struggles and the pressure to support her family, Zara never stopped focusing on her education. After many years of hard work and study, Zara achieved her dream of becoming a doctor. She returned to her neighborhood and opened a small clinic to help poor families. She treated many patients for free. Her journey had come full circle. She was now helping others in the way she always dreamed. Zara's story is one of resilience, determination, and the power of education. Her journey shows that no dream is too big and no problem too hard for those who believe in themselves. Despite many hardships and tears, Zara's hope and hard work led her to success. She proved that even in tough times, pursuing your dreams can lead to a better future for yourself and others.
Busting, full of energetic and noisy activity. Example, the market was always busting with people and sounds. Toiled, worked extremely hard or continuously. Example, she toiled in the fields from sunrise to sunset. Labor, a person doing unskilled manual work for wages. Example, the laborer worked all day carrying bricks. Frequently, regularly or often. Example, he visits his grandparents frequently. Chores, routine tasks, especially household tasks. Example, his chores include washing dishes and taking out the trash. Crucial, extremely important or necessary. Example, it is crucial to drink water every day. Mocked, made fun of in a cruel way. Example, they mocked his accent, which made him sad. Accent, a distinctive way of pronouncing a language. Example, she speaks English with a French accent. Aspirations, strong desires to achieve something high or great. Example, her aspirations include becoming a doctor. Reputable, having a good reputation, respected. Example, they went to a reputable school known for its excellence. Resilience, the ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Example, his resilience helped him bounce back after losing his job. Humiliations, situations in which someone is made to feel ashamed or foolish. Example, he endured many humiliations but remained strong. Bear fruit, to yield results. Example, her hard work began to bear fruit when she got promoted. Question of the day. Why did Zara want to become a doctor? Why do you think learning English was important for Zara's dream?
Now it's your turn to share. We're eager to hear all about your journey learning English. Tell us your story in the comments below. Whether you faced challenges or celebrated victories, we want to hear it all. And here's the exciting part. Your story could be featured in one of our upcoming videos. Or if you'd like, we can even create a special story inspired by your experience. So don't hesitate, share your adventures with us today.